Now let's say we want to edit something. Your code is live, and how do you edit and update again? Very simple. Open up your Microsoft Visual Studio, check on the files, is the same name as the URL name. You can edit any part of it. So check on the website now. Let's say currently I want to change the contact word to something else. Just want to change the text. All I have to do is on the Microsoft Visual Studio codes, I edit it inside there. I type contact us lah don't paise. So now let's see. We type everything already. Okay. I want to change this word contact to contact us lah don't paise. You see a notifications on your Microsoft Visual Studio Code, one dot. You click on source of control, there's nothing there. You go back to the files. All you need to do is click file, save. Click the save. You will see source of control there. There's one notifications, one. Click on it, source of control. Then types the message that things you change. For example, I could write the note. This is a note. Change text. Okay. Click on commit and push it. If you wonder how does it work, you see those code that we uploaded 10 minutes ago, it will write 10 minutes. Now if I click on commit and push, let's click it. And then you go to a GitHub, you refresh. And you will see that I edited index.html files, and it will show the time is now. Now go back to settings. In your GitHub Online, click on settings and click on pages. And click on the link or the visit the site. See, nothing happens. You just need to refresh and then you are updated. Since we are using GitHub, it will be slow a bit. You just need to be patient. Yep, that's all.